Okay, now we're going.
So, I got something I want to say. Now, I don't want to offend nobody,
Uh-oh.
but I feel like I'm going to.
No, get ready to...
That's the point where me and Alex look at each other
Ah, man.
and wonder what's about to happen.
So,
Start with the train off the rails.
me and my brother was talking. We had a conversation. Yes, 2 days ago. About heavier set women.
Oh boy,
And
here we go.
in the process of talking about this, my problem with women is this. No different than it would be for a man. When you tell a person you no longer eat beef or chicken, you're a vegan, you should not still be the same size as you was last year. If you was 240 last year, bitch, why are you 240 this year? And you hadn't had beef or chicken in a whole year? What? Listen, I don't know what is below vegan, but bitch, you need to be it. What is that? Presbyterian diet?
Presbyterian.
Is that Presbyterian?
I believe it's pescatarian.
That's what it is,
I
pescatarian?
think the Presbyterians just meet in a building once a week to talk about their...
Oh, that is true. That's
yeah,
true.
Presbyterian is definitely a religion.
Hey, that's hey, well, listen.
Yeah, a pescatarian is a person who does not eat meat but does eat fish. So that would probably be outside. Like if you look at it as like omnivore, and then you got vegetarian, then vegan. I think pescatarian would be a ring outside of vegan but inside of vegetarian.
Oh. Well, I don't think she neither one of them. You should. What? How are you still this big? I wonder.
Yeah.
Like, are you eating everything but the
Well, you
meat?
can find vegan junk food.
Yeah, you can like.
Just because you're a vegan doesn't mean you eat.
Well, you can like eat deep fried tofu all the time. I'm pretty sure.
Well, what are you frying it in? Because if it's
Yeah, like canola oil,
yeah, it's
right?
gotta be
Yeah.
a vegan frying solution.
Well,
Nothing that comes of some. I don't even.
I think my other issue is this too, though. You know, women are quick to say men are liars. We lie. You know, men lie. They cheat.
Well, everyone lies.
Yeah, I agree.
True.
But women, we gotta talk about something. We gotta talk about something.
That's a big boy right there.
Boom. Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
Yep.
Y'all gotta stop with these filters, man. Listen, big girls. There's nothing wrong with being big. I want you to know that, because I'm a big dude. Hey, you gotta be quiet. You hear me? Be quiet. Alex, cut that out.
Oh wait, I don't know.
Hey, listen. I don't know if we're going or we're not going. Alex, how we looking over there? We good? Yeah, we're good. Listen, big women. Let's talk about something real quick. I want you to know this. What is this guy got? Yeah, big girls. Hey, let's talk about this. Big
I
girl.
was putting an intro song on this week's.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's perfect.
Yep. That is perfect.
it's all right to be big, okay? But stop showing us all these filters. Look.
Oh, you're talking about Snapchat filters.
Yeah, man. Listen, because me and my bro was talking, man. You should not have so many filters that we don't know you no longer big. All right? Like, you got a face shot. Another. Bitch, when do we see the body? When we see the body? Because my question is, you got all these face shots, but when we go out on a date, get some food, I don't even recognize you. Like, you show up to the restaurant, I show up to the restaurant. I'm like, man, it looked like the person I'm supposed to meet. No. You catfish the shit out of me. Y'all lying. You're lying, you're cheating, you're deceiving. All these pictures, these filters, you're messing us up. You're messing us up, man. You're messing us up. These filters have changed the game. A game changer. Embrace your bigness, okay? Take them face shots off. Let's see some body shots. All right? We don't want to keep seeing all these face shots for 2019. We want to see the body, okay? You know, hey, with the filters, you're 150 pounds. Without the filters, you're 260 pounds. We got to figure this out, okay?
The views Tate is expressing do not represent the podcaster and are solely his own.
Yeah, it's definitely me. Okay? Listen, because I'm a big dude myself, man. Hey, stop lying to me. Stop lying to me. My brother, hey, me and my bro had a deep conversation like, hey, these are lies. We being lied to as men. Man.
So what would you say the quarterly report card is for the first wave of 2019?
I don't know, man. I'm disappointed.
A D for disappointment.
I'm disappointed. I am, man. I'm disappointed. Cause, bro, hey, I'm telling you, bro, my brother showed me this picture. I was like, bro. I said, bro, he said, man, look, my friend sent me a picture. He was like, man, I was thinking about talking to this chick, you know, she's a good looking girl. I said, man, she's a nice looking girl. That's a nice looking woman right there. I was like, you should, you know, go out on a date with her. He sent me the picture when he got in person with her. I said, well, who the fuck is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Goddamn.
One of those, is she hiding behind the other one?
Goddamn walrus. I know what the... I was like, what is this?
Oh, I have a story, actually, about...
What is this?
About a bigger woman that my friend told me at work the other day. So, he had a cookout, right?
Right.
Anyway, you know, and go to a cookout. She wasn't invited, first off. And she
The big girl wasn't invited?
Yeah, no, she lives across the street. So probably like, you know, for your normal person, about a 20-second walk. So she comes over and she's like, I made it all the way up the hill and didn't even have to use my inhaler. Wait, it gets better. It gets better. And I've been there, so it's about 30.
Hey,
I think that I could cover this distance in about 30 paces. We'll call it 30 paces. 30. That's it. 30 strides. And so she's bragging about that. But so my buddy, he made 50 pounds of meat for the cookout.
50 pounds. That's a lot of meat right there.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
So
That's a lot of beef.
So he's cooking, everybody's talking, and they're kind of eating as it comes out, but not much, you know. They're just kind of picking it off as it comes by. You know, just little appetizer here or there.
Yeah.
He's telling me that everybody in his family has eaten about 3 chicken wings at this point. All of a sudden, all the food disappears. She took the food, went back down the hill. He said he showed up the day after trying to get the food back. It was all gone. She ate 50 pounds of meat in a day and a half.
Hey, that's a bad girl, right?
Yeah.
That's a beast.
Yeah.
She's a monster. Hey, she's a monster.
Yeah. That's what he said. 50 pounds. She didn't bring anything to the cookout. Except for a bad attitude and her appetite.
Hey, listen. Oh my gosh. Hey, listen, man. Listen, cause I've been a big guy. See, I've been a big dude, like 270 pounds. You know, I'm smaller than that now. But, you know, I saw something on television because I don't know how this all kind of happened in the same week. So this just happened like yesterday, actually. I saw this commercial on YouTube, and I feel like iPhone is tracking my conversations that I have.
Oh, they are.
And it it was weird because, bro, we had the conversation.
Everything's
and then
tracked.
It had this big dude on a video, and I just clicked on it. I was like, dang, we're just talking about big people, you know? And this woman's kid sees this bigger guy, and she says to the big guy, she said, Mom, he's really big. Now, the guy says, I get bullied in the store when I go out in person. Listen, let me tell you something. That kid is not bullying you. That baby doesn't know. I mean, he just sees you and he thinks to you, he thinks to himself, like, that's a bigger part, that's a big guy.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta stop. We as people gotta stop feeling like we being bullied every time we get called fat. It's up to us to take some responsibility, people. We gotta do something about that, okay? 2020, okay? Stop being fat, okay? Stop
That's
being fat.
not gonna happen.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let's cut that down. Hey, fat is whack, okay? All right, fat is whack. All right. So off that, you know, I told myself that too. I had to have a conversation with myself. I said, hey, Tay, fat ass. Get it together.
Get it together.
Me and myself was looking in the mirror. I cut my beard off. Said, think I look skinny without the beard. Like I got 3 chins, okay? My son told me, he says, Dad, don't bend your face down like that again. He said, you look weird. He said, you look weird. I said, like what? Don't do that. Don't do that, Dad. Don't do that. Don't tuck your face down again. You look different, okay? They showed me a picture with a goddamn frog on it. He compared it to me. So I want y'all to know, fat is whack. Get it together, people. We all do, collectively. All right. Now on to the next topic. I got this question. This is a tough one today, guys. I don't mean to offend nobody, but I want to talk about this. Okay.
I like how every single thing starts
I
off
do.
with that.
I
don't
do
want
want
to
to talk
offend
about
anyone.
this, man. All right. Question. A guy is a transgender man.
Male to female or female to male?
Male to female.
Okay.
All right. So we got a male turning into a woman, okay? Now, this is our issue. Been talking to the guy or the woman.
Them.
That person. Exactly. Alex, I like the way you think. Been talking to that person, all right? Now, you have been talking to them, and now you guys have been talking for a few months now. So, that person sounds like a woman on the phone, and you think you're talking to a woman on the phone. Been doing it for about 3 months now, sending pictures, all face shots, no body shots. You know how that goes.
Cause.
Yeah, exactly. That's how you get them. That's how you get them. Face shots, face shots, face shots. Like a fat person's Facebook profile. All right. Now we get on to become intimate. You guys meet up, have a little dinner, Grant, dinner.
Gotcha.
Have some dinner. After dinner, you go sit in the car, have a conversation. A few kisses exchanged. Mind you, you're dealing with a man, okay? It's a man. You're a man. It's a man. You're a man, okay? It's a man and you're a man, okay?
Got
All
it.
right, all right.
Finkel is Einhorn. Einhorn is Finkel.
Yep, exactly. But you think you're dealing with a woman, okay? You've been having a few drinks. You don't really know. You don't see no Adam's apple. The head don't pop up. Bang, bang, bang. None of that happened, okay? All right. Now, get to kissing. He drops your trousers. It's getting a little bit more intimate than you thought. Now, you realize on the head of your talawhacker,
I have no idea where this is going.
listen, on the head of your talawhacker is getting blessed real quick. You go to put your hand over and feel, and you touch a boy. What do you do? What do you do? Do you proceed?
It sounds an awful lot like you are not supposed to be, like, pre-aware of that condition. So, one, I'm assuming this is pre-op. And two, I'm assuming they have not told you that they were transgender.
Absolutely not.
Okay, then they are in the wrong.
They are
because
wrong.
They should have informed you.
Correct.
That they were transgender.
I agree. Man,
Yeah.
they don't do it nowadays. Just like they don't tell you if you got diseases. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, if they tell you and you're like, all right, well, we've got a good connection. I'll stick around and we'll do stuff like that once you have the surgery because I'm not really attracted to penis.
Right.
Then, I mean, no harm, no foul. If they're not telling you that they're transgender and pre-op, and you have to find out like that, then I think it's justifiable to be alarmed and a little upset.
Absolutely.
If you have found something you did not expect there.
But my question is this though: you're enjoying yourself.
Not anymore.
You put your hand. Bro, I got this brutal cough. It's killing me. Oh my god. So,
That's how I feel.
do you stop?
Yeah.
It's good though.
What else are you telling me?
What do you-
I'm out.
I think I'd finish the blowjob.
Oh, would you?
You close your eyes, you picture whoever you want. A blowjob's a blowjob.
Mouth
the
is mouth.
The mouth is one of those things that doesn't change from male to female.
All right. So this. Wait a minute. Now.
Tongue is tongue.
Booking it.
Now.
Running.
Wait a minute. So you said Alex said he'll finish.
If it's good enough, yeah. I mean, if I'm like really enjoying it, why not?
Finish it out.
You gonna finish it?
No,
up, Drew?
not me. No, no. Hell no. We gonna fight. They gonna fight. Hey,
I'm
bro,
just running.
I'm gonna be honest. As soon as I touch you as a man and realize you're a man, first of all, I'm wondering to myself, how did I get this far anyway?
So, Dave, let me put
I'm
it
being
this way.
okay.
Let's say
Golly,
that
this is tough.
for your birthday, I decided to treat you and I put you in a dark room and get you a blowjob. Jessica Alba.
Okay.
Invisible woman from Fantastic Four.
Yeah, I know who Jessica is. I'm a
You're
fan.
getting a blowjob from Jessica Alba. All's well and good. Let's say that you foolishly trust me and turn the light on to see Jessica Alba after it's finished. Is it going to change the fact that you thought you were getting a blowjob from Jessica Alba?
Absolutely. What? Yeah.
No, I'm saying if you leave the light off, you
I
would
mean,
never
if you leave the
know.
light off and you never check to see
Yeah.
if it's actually Jessica Alba who just blew
No, yeah,
like,
right.
pressed your dick.
Right.
Is
I still need to see
how does
Jessica.
it change it?
I still need to see Jessica, man. Hey, look, I don't feel comfortable in dark rooms anyway. I like lights on. Cut the light on. Hey,
Cut the light on. Ah!
whoa, what is that? That's a boy. That is a boy. I'm a boy, Damon. I'm a boy.
Let's not say that like
I didn't even.
not necessarily
Phone books.
just
My number ain't
a
even in the.
blowjob. Let's say I got a different woman, but she's not Jessica Alba. Does it ruin the experience? Was it the
Yes,
first
bro.
blowjob?
Yeah. No, it might not. Wait a minute. Wait. Time
Blowjob
out.
is what
Wait a minute.
matters.
Time out. It might not be worse now. It might not be a worse blowjob. I'm just saying it's gonna change things for me because I'm gonna feel as though Jessica was supposed to be here, but I'm still gonna. I'm still
Her
in.
agent had issue with the request, so we had to hire someone else.
Yeah.
Well, does that?
So I think what Tave's trying to say would be like, he'd be like, Alex, I'm mad at you for lying, but don't stop.
Hey, but hey, man, listen. Wait a minute. It changes
What
things.
if- what if
Wait a
you
minute.
didn't
But you
turn the light on?
Wait a minute. But you are
What if
talking
she left
about
room,
the.
You never you were blindfolded. You never saw her. You had no way of conclusively knowing for sure that it wasn't Jessica Alba. Then does not knowing that for sure that it was matter?
See, Alex, this is hey. I don't like surprises like that, man. I like spontaneity, but not that much, man. Hey, just for that reason alone. Hey,
Now I'm never gonna trust anyone.
I can get myself into something. First of all, see, so women now you kind of use their hands and stuff like that. But if you're only using
For
like to grab on it.
no, okay.
But if you only, I don't know
Where
what.
were you going?
Yeah,
I didn't know. I didn't. Look, I've had some fingers that
Wait a minute.
stray, and that
whoa,
I don't like that.
Up to tutor.
That'll
What
ruin
is
a
that
moment.
about?
I hate that.
Alex, what's
The old
wrong?
prostate tickle.
Huh?
The old prostate tickle.
No one's succeeded, but they've tried.
Alex,
and
Alex.
it's very frightening.
He got the Dingleberry.
Yeah. I don't understand the appeal of any of that.
What?
Dude, I'll tell you what, you will rock it out of a chair faster than any.
Hey, Hey, first of all, don't.
You know, have you seen the movie Split?
Yes,
You know, he's
ab-
crawling on the walls?
Yeah.
That's what happened.
You was calling up the wall. Hey, do you have a problem with that though?
Yes, I got a problem with it. It's very uncomfortable.
Very clear that he had a problem.
So you don't like anybody close to the.
No.
You don't like to get your.
The
salad
second they get close to the edge.
tossed. No salad getting tossed, huh?
No.
Okay.
Nor would I want to be with someone who'd want to do that.
So wait a minute. Okay, let's get back to my question. So you're leaving. You're not going to proceed with the blowjob, right?
With the car scenario?
Yeah, with the dude.
Yeah.
Do you fight him?
Huh?
You just leave.
I don't want it. I don't know what
What
this,
if he? What if he?
I don't know what this man's capable of at this point.
First of all, if he touches you, you don't you realize like he's strong? You be like, damn, that's a
No,
tough.
I'm strong, Tate.
yeah.
I mean,
That's a soft
if
grip.
I got up and pushed you, you probably wouldn't notice.
That's probably right.
His hands were like velvet.
so soft. He's using.
Isolate that audio. I hope you know.
That's fine.
He utilizes Jergens.
Yeah.
This is Nivea.
The moisture capital of the world.
Hey, that's
At the end of every podcast from now on, it's just going to be Grant saying his hands were like velvet.
hey. Just saying, man. Hey, I'm gonna fight, dude. I'm whooping
I
his
might-
ass. I'm whooping his ass.
I might.
I'm talking about.
I don't know. I would probably flail it first.
No, hey, so are
And
you,
then if you
are
get
you gay?
str-
Are you gay though? After that?
No, because you didn't know.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah,
Would you tell a friend though?
Yeah.
Finding out.
Yeah, there's nothing gay about getting duped.
Would you tell a friend though that this happened to you?
Probably not. That's when I'll probably take a move.
Mama.
What were you doing today? Nothing. Nothing. I went and worked out. I played some football.
Hey. Oh man. Oh, tough stuff. Mm-hmm. I got kicked in the shins playing soccer.
Yeah.
That shit hurt.
It hurt, but I kept running.
Joined a rugby league.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I took up woodworking. Building a boat.
Enlisted in the Marines.
Yeah. I'm building a boat. I'm going to go somewhere where no one can do this ever to me again. What the hell are you talking about, Grant? Nothing. I don't want to play football anymore. Leave me alone.
All right, reverse. It's a guy. That's a woman. No, it's a guy. Has a surgery. Same thing. No, I shouldn't say reverse.
Post-op.
Yeah, exactly. Post-op. Post-op happens, man. She got that big knuckle, and he got the big knuckle. That knuckle is there.
Okay.
That big knuckle is there.
I think they take that out, though.
No, no, they don't.
I think they
It's
get to
gotta have
pick what
lips,
they
don't-
want,
don't
right?
They have lips.
Yeah, but
They
they.
still have lips. We need a trainee to comment so we can figure this out.
I know someone who could probably book us one, but I don't think they'd be happy with the conversation you want.
Well, we just want to have a conversation.
I think it would be in poor taste to bring this conversation
I just want to know if they got
to a
lips.
transvestite.
I want to know if they, the lips look the same as a woman, or is it like a big one?
I
Like,
mean, it's a plastic surgery. You could have it shaped like
Yeah.
a star if you fucking wanted.
Yeah.
Like,
I don't know if it look like a star.
They probably have like a. Yeah. They probably have like a lineup, like in the cop shows. Was it this
it's
one?
kind of like you know how you're taking a reference picture for a haircut?
Yeah.
I would imagine you could screenshot a porno and be like, hey, I want this done.
Yeah.
That's probably
I
something
mean,
they can do.
you do that with tattoos, but you see how them shits
Yeah.
turn out.
That's why you don't go to a hack shop. You go to.
You got to pay top dollar for this.
Yeah, but
No, I mean, you can go to Taiwan. They got tons of experience in Taiwan. You're more likely to speak to a post op there than pretty much anywhere else in the world. Like,
hey, that is
Really?
true though.
yeah,
I didn't know that.
It's really
What?
popular down
Yeah,
there.
he's
That's
being
a lie.
serious.
That's a lie.
It's
You,
actually
He's being
remarkably
serious.
affordable down there, too.
Yeah.
no, bro, that's a lie. You would definitely know, like, cause didn't you see that shit in what was that Hangover? Like, bro, that was real.
Oh, that fictitious movie.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's fake, but it's real though. Like,
Well, I
you
mean,
go to-
I know
you
that
go-
there's a bunch of shit.
you go to
that goes
like you go
down
to
in
the,
Taiwan.
you go to these different countries, and it's more it's normal. It's normal for these surgeries to happen.
Yeah.
and it's completely
just-
acceptable,
yeah.
and nobody. I mean, even now, like we don't judge it or anything like that. It's just that I'm not judging, man. I'm not judging. I'm just saying that I don't want no boy sucking on me.
I mean, that's fair.
That's all I'm saying. I'm cool with gay dudes and gay women that's gay, whatever. I just don't want you to be. I wouldn't
Yeah.
want you to surprise me though. Don't surprise me.
Yeah.
And just be slobbing on me, and then
What if they're like, let's just, why don't you just come over here and we'll see what pops up? That's a
I'm gonna pop you.
disclosure.
I'm gonna pop you.
That's disclosure. They told you.
Is it? Yeah. Is
Yeah.
it Grant? Is
Yeah. That would be Dave.
it? No, bro.
How would you react to that?
First of all, if I
Are
see
you swinging immediately if
First
you
of
hear
all,
that now?
bro. First of all, I see anything. If I see anything pop up with me, I'm gonna fight you. What is this?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't. I mean, if you saw a guy, I don't know, man. That's tough, man. That's
It
tough.
is
That's
tough.
a tough situation, man. Tough situation to be in. Hey, people. Hey, man. Listen. Hey, love who you love. Love yourself. Love everybody else. Just be honest with us. That's all I'm saying.
So basically, this
The-
whole thing revolves around honesty.
Hey, the entire
Did someone lie to
sound
you,
check
Dave?
today. Yes, I have been lied to in my life.
Well, let's unpack some shit here.
I have been lied to. All I'm saying is, be honest, people. Be honest. If you big, you big. Show the world you big, okay? If you a woman, let the man know you're a woman. If you're a man, let the world know you're a man, okay?
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
Well, I mean, everyone gets bullied, or air quotes, bullied.
Yeah.
Like, I'm short. People commenting on that all the time.
I mean, it's like the Dwight Howard situation. You're not. Yes, you are kind of short.
Yeah.
But I mean, you don't get bullied because you're short.
No,
a
well, I
ton of
mean,
people that short, bro.
I'm saying air quotes because, like, of the modern climate, what I get would be construed as
Right.
bullying. I don't view it as bullying.
No, I don't really. I'm not that.
And that's something that I can't control. I think your weight you have a lot more control over.
Yeah, I mean, well, they say if you have like thyroid issues
Yeah.
or health issues, health
But
concerns,
I mean,
that could
if you look at the other countries,
compare to us, man.
yeah. It's a problem here. And
Yeah,
it's not
It is.
25% of the country doesn't have thyroid issues.
Hey, hey, I'm just saying,
That's all I'm saying.
Hey,
There are things you can control a little bit, and there's things you can't.
right,
What
right.
height you are is not one of those things. Just like what race you are, or how you look, or if you need glasses.
Right.
Like, those all fall into
You can't
the...
really help that.
Yeah. So, like, that stuff I can... When people are like, oh, I don't like being bullied about that, I can understand that a little bit more than someone who's put themselves in a situation.
Yeah,
That's
you
all I'm
gotta
saying.
put.
Whether something's bullying or not comes down to, in part, whether they want those comments or not. Like,
Yeah.
when people call you a leprechaun, if you do not want them to call you a leprechaun,
That happens
they've
quite a
been
bit.
made aware that you don't want them to. That's different than like if you.
I just don't- yeah.
A leprechaun, like.
Hey,
Yeah.
first, hey, wait.
I think it's hilarious.
Side note. You said leprechaun. Hey, have you seen American Gods?
Yeah.
That,
The-
that
the-
leprechaun is
yeah.
big as fuck.
Yeah, he is. He's the dude from, he was in that movie with 50 Cent.
Yeah, yeah.
Where they were robbing people.
Yeah. Hey, that's a big leprechaun,
Yeah.
6'5".
You know he's Hispanic?
His brother, I forgot. My wife was telling me who his brother was the other day.
Yeah, he's Hispanic.
I forgot. But hey, he's a big dude, man. Hey, call him a leprechaun if you want to. You drop that gold on your ass, you're in trouble.
Yep.
You're in trouble. That's the
I
big
like
boy.
that. Yeah, I like that character in that show.
I do too. Hey, but I think that's it for this.
Yeah.
Hey, good luck, people. Good luck in life. Make sure you do a proper
And this week's
analyzing.
Tave public service announcement.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Watch who you
end up
fucking with.
a song this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drop that shit out. I like that. Stop being big. Big is what? That is what?
Walks in through the room, feels like a big balloon. I said, hey girls, you are beautiful. Diet Coke and a pizza, please. Diet Coke, I'm on my knees screaming, big girls, you are beautiful. You take your skinny girl, I feel like I'm gonna die. Cause a real woman needs a real man, here's why. You take your girl and multiply her by 4. Now a whole lot of woman needs a whole lot more. Get yourself to the butterfly lounge, find yourself a big lady. Big boy, come on around and they'll be gonna do, baby. No need to fantasize since I was in my braces. Water in a hole with the girls around and curves in all the right places. Big girls, you are beautiful. 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 Walks into the room, feels like a big balloon. I said, hey girls, you are beautiful. Diet Coke and a pizza, please. Diet Coke, I'm on my knees screaming, big girl, you are beautiful. You take your girl and multiply her by 4. Now a whole lot of woman needs a whole lot more. Get yourself to the butterfly lounge, find yourself a big lady. Big boy, come on around and they'll be gonna do, baby. No need to fantasize since I was in my braces. Water in a hole with the girls around and curves in all the right places. Big girls, you are beautiful. 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 Get yourself to the butterfly lounge, find yourself a big lady. Big boy, come on around and they'll be calling you, baby. No need to fantasize since I was in my braces. Water in a hole with the girls around and curves in all the right places. Big girls, you are beautiful. 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 Oh, you are beautiful. Get yourself to the butterfly lounge, find yourself a big lady. Big boy, come on around and they'll be gonna do, baby. No need to fantasize since I was in my braces. Water in a hole with the girls around and curves in all the right places.